Hi everyone, this is Opu from Opu Art. So you are seeing here the Rover 2. I'm back with my new project. So as like the previous one, you are seeing three Rover versions. The Rover Dark Metal, this one. This one is a Camouflage, the middle one, and the side one, this one is the Rover Mars. So the only difference between the first version and the second version is the solar system, solar energy system on the top of the rover. So yes, this is the back side. So the difference is only this part. So in the Rover 2, you will have a solar panel or a solar energy system to get the energy or recharge system or something like that, or you can use it a kind of recharging point for this. So this is from the substance. It will come with 12 texture set. So as like always, I will continue with Unity and then the Unreal as gameready-asset. So I will continue in the Unity first, then the Unreal. So hope you are enjoying like the previous one. So this is Rover 2 actually, Rover 2 version 2 or Rover 2, whatever you're gonna call. So keep enjoying, and I will be continuing in Unity with this rover. Thank you. Hi everyone, this is the Unity version of the Rover 2. You are seeing the Rover 2 in the Unity. So this is on the Unity HDRP as always. So you can see here the back side and the front side. So I use HDR Sky. It's a CT HDR Sky. And you will find here the Rover 2 FPX, the actual FPX, and also you will find the textures. These are all the textures you're seeing. All the textures is there, and you will get here the materials. Yeah, all the materials is there. So this will have 12 materials, and also not you will get here the prefabs. Okay, so the prefabs are here. So you will get three prefabs is and three vehicle, three prefabs. The prefabs are like this. Yeah, so Unity users will get this, and that's all I think. So I used if I get a maximized view, you will notice the some bloom effects, and also the post processing. So I used a little bit of post processing touch there, so you can have a full look of this. So please use this asset. If you need this, you will get this asset in my store. So the links are in the description. So this is the second part, the Rover 2. I will continue in a Rover 3, Rover 4, Rover 5, something like that. So I will the idea is make a collection, a sci-fi vehicle collection. So this is done from the Unity. I will see you in Unreal. So thank you, keep watching. Hi everyone, this is the third part and the final part of the Rover 2 project. This is you are seeing it from the Unreal Engine. So Unreal Engine 5.3. So this is the front side and the side, and this is the back side. So the textures and the materials are working properly, and okay, the asset is functioning properly. So you will have the FPX file, and you will have here the textures, all the textures. So the textures are 4K by resolution, and here you will have the materials. So the assigned materials here, and I put a human figure, the mannequin, there for the scaling purpose, as always. I did it in project 1 and project 2 also. And also you can find here the prefabs. So these are all the parts you're seeing in the prefabs to make the vehicle. So you will get here the 11 12 parts. So these will come as prefabs. Okay. Okay, and so this asset is, I think, fully ready for use in an Unreal project. So this is very ideal for using in a sci-fi environment, as I always said, as I said previously. So I'll try to make a set of this vehicle as a collection asset. So this asset is very suitable. It will be suitable for the sci-fi game and also the sci-fi projects visualization or something like that, maybe. So you always have a three combination. This is, so one is a combat. This one is it's a sci-fi dark metal, and also the sci-fi, the rover part. So imagine some kind of unknown terrain, like a unknown planet, and you are doing the scientific research, and this rovers is your vehicle. So this will be a very suitable combination for this asset. I hope you enjoyed this part, and you will continue watching my videos and my projects. And if you have any questions, just ask in the comment section, and you can email me. And if you need these assets, you can go to my stores and purchase that. And also you can contact me. You can text me in a comment section that you need a particular assets. So this is number 2. I will come the sequence like number 3, number 4, number 5, something like that. So my idea is now to make a collection of these vehicles. So yeah, keep watching, and keep supporting me. So please do subscribe my channel and use my asset. Please visit my store, and your every purchase will give me new motivation to create something like this. I'm working so hard, so please support me. Thank you very much.